So something just re-uploaded my washing machine core. Yeah, you see this? This is my washing machine core. You can definitely see. Oh, get that off. See, this is my, get that off. This is my washing machine core. Now, what was the group? It was, I could barely hear. Timelab Remake. And the model's named Washing Machine Computer Core. This, oh, and they put description as credit to BabyBoy682010, which is UB Gaming. And the person or group that made this was Timelab Remake type model. Uploaded May 18th. The 18th of May. Yeah, this is my model. This is literally my model. They just re-uploaded it. Yeah, this is my model. They re-uploaded it and all that stuff. All that other stuff. Yeah, this is my washing machine core. Timelab Remake group just re-uploaded it and all that stuff. Yeah. Hold on, let's never mind. I'll just end the video here. Goodbye.